Well, hello everyone. I know it's been a while. I've been working on my hobby room here. Got the walls painted and built this L-shaped bench for the corner of the room from scratch. Got some 2x4s from the lumber yard and built up a frame, and I had a countertop that had replaced from the kitchen that I was hoping to use down here for a counter, but it wasn't, the dimensions were what I remembered them. So it would have been a 4-foot section here, and then this part going off this way would have been 8, and I wanted it to at least be 8 foot long this way so that I could get my Dremel scroll saw mounted finally, get my CNC machine, a place to call home, and I also got the 3D printer over there in its spot. And then the rest of this is kind of a mess. Underneath is going to have, as you can see over this way, I got framing this way. I'm going to do shelving, and I'm going to house my model kits that I got down under here in this 55-gallon aquarium stand. That's what I've actually been doing my videos on, believe it or not. I had a 6-foot chunk of countertop that was in this hobby room originally, sitting on top of the stand, and that's what I've been doing my videos and everything off of. Anyways, got my L-shaped station here that I wanted to build, and as you can see, I got a mess of everything here. And this is actually where I do my filming. My little camera boom here, I had to do a little balsa wood brace because it kept wanting to go like this as it was had the phone on it. And this is pretty much where I was seated before doing the model building. As you can see, we got the Stuka over there. You have to mind my mess over to... I've been working on stuff, and I'm finally getting the room cleared out, and I have finished my 3D models for... I'm doing... I don't know if you ever saw those. I was going to buy those laser cut, I believe they're made out of plywood, paint organizers for all my paints. And I was going to get them, and I thought, well, you got a 3D printer now. Why don't you just 3D print your own? So I just had the time invested in building the 3D model, and it took me the better of 4 hours to do. But I do have the model built, the 3D model. I'll do a video showing that here shortly. But then I'll have a place to put all my testers, paints, and my Vallejo is the one that I built, designed today, and then I'm going to have stands for all these other miscellaneous art paints and whatnot, just to get everything nice and clean. They'll line up along the wall. Nice hand swipe there, sorry. But that's what I've been doing the past couple weeks. It's been a busy couple weeks with work and everything, and then after work I've had other things to do and some family stuff on the weekends, so that's why I haven't really done any videos lately, but just wanted to kind of do an update of my room here, and I'm going to get back to it here in a little bit. Since I couldn't repurpose my countertop, the top right now is just sheetrock, as you can see, but I'm not going to worry too much about that until I decide whether I'm going to do a plywood top, or if I'm going to invest in some counter for this. I'll probably invest in it, but for the long term. But lumber's a little more expensive than I thought it would be right at the moment, so the framing was more than I thought it would be. Anyways, I'm kind of rambling again, but this is what I've been up to, and looking forward to this 3D printer, plugging that in and printing those paint organizers tomorrow. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.